G'day folks. I'm trying my awning today because it's been too hot lately. The only problem is it acts like a big windsock, so it's not very good for driving around with that up. But I'm going to do some slow trawling today and see if I catch anything with my new lures. That's the plan. So I bought these two lures from the fishing shop. So all I'm going to do is tow them behind my boat. The lady in the fishing shop said put out about half the length of line for the width of this boat shop and trawl it, tow it at about walking pace. So that's all I'm going to do. Fingers crossed. I'm just going to do it for an hour or so. It's pretty rocky out here today. I got smashed up against the jetty, which is always something I try and avoid. So there's a good chance I'll get crook if I sit around too long and just twiddle my thumbs. I'm already getting cooked, to be honest. God, these little pointers have got this stuff on it so you don't prick yourself. But it's impossible to get off. You prick yourself getting it off because it's so hard to get off. The water's beautiful and clear. So if you have any suggestions or any thoughts, put them in the comments below. So, feel like I'm ready, I'm on. It's pretty heavy. The lady said if it starts jumping out of the water, you're going too fast. Very happy to get moving. Yeah, I'm getting crook again. I found if I chew chewing gum, I feel a little less seasick. So I did that last time and it was not too bad. But the sea's been rough for about probably a week. I haven't been able to come out in the ocean for a week. This is the first day it's been alright, but it was pretty swelly and rocky in at the jetty. So I feel like I'm going, I don't know, I feel like I'm going walking pace. Got a fair bit of line out. I can't see it jumping out of the water, so just wait and see. So I'll do this for about an hour, then I'll just go in just to get it out of my system. A bit of fun. I'm contemplating setting up 2 rods, but I think I'll throw up if I stop to set the other rod up. I bought the 2 lures. One was slightly smaller for my smaller rod. We'll wait and see. I set my time. I'm just going to go half an hour up the coast and half an hour back, and that'll do, depending on how I feel. swivel connector on this, so I can drag that other lure. I'm so thankful I have this shade roof thing. Heaps better. That knot didn't work at all. Broke as soon as I put it on. Sometimes you can tie knots that make the line weaker, apparently. So that might have been what I did. Ah, so that's not working either. I don't know, sometimes I get the knot spot on, other times it doesn't work at all. They just pull out or break. This chewing gum that's supposed to not make me seasick is not working very well. That's better. God, that makes me feel sick. Alright, we'll hang this over the other side, do the same thing, see what happens. So I have them both out now. Try and keep them separated. I've got more line out on the big rod and less line out in the little rod, hoping I don't get a tangle. So I'll just sit down for a while. I've been trawling 10 minutes, so I'll go another 20 and then 30 back, and then I'm back where I started. See how I feel. Well, I've been trawling for an hour. I've had about enough. I feel pretty sick, to be honest. So I'm going to pack up and go in. It's pretty rocky. The swell's pretty up. I think it's about a 2.5 metre swell, and it's onshore. But anyway, that's all right. I got something. I got some weed. At least I didn't lose my lure. I did drive around or through a whole bunch of weeds, so I'm surprised I didn't get any more, to be honest. This is my new rod. I like it actually. Feels pretty solid. 89 bucks with the reel. The reel's beautiful and smooth. Well, I think that'll do for me. I feel pretty crook and I'm going to go in, so I might sell me boat.